Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. Now what Denise wanted us to do, the details for this challenge are: you must have a tray of any kind, you must have a floral, you must use animals, something with words need to be on this tray, and you must give it a farmhouse vibe. Now guys, I'm gonna let you decorate this tray with me. This is the tray I will be using. If you've been with me for a little bit, you know hubby picked this up or spotted this at Hobby Lobby on the clearance aisle for $2.99. It was missing the screws, so I just glued it together so it's permanently attached. I cannot take it apart. It has this beautiful base on the bottom here that I love. At first I walked away from it and he was like, you need to get this, and I'm so glad I picked this up, or he picked that up. I have several florals here. Have these flowers that I picked up from Walmart. These are white daisies. Very pretty. So that's my florals. If you've been with me for a little bit, you saw I hauled these from the thrift store. I'm using a bee. I hope that counts. I'm into the bee theme right now. And yeah, so I'm using this cream and sugar set. It's going to serve as my animal and this sign. So that's something with words. And I'm going to add a few more pieces. Denise also wanted us to, if at all possible, to do a no spin. Denise, I did find something that I wanted. Actually, I was looking for two pieces. I didn't find one of the items, but I found another one, and you'll see that shortly. So we're going to get to decorating this and put my tiered stand together. This sits on my island here. So let's go to work. Alright guys, and here is my tiered tray that sits on my island with a bee theme. I'm gonna work myself down here. I bought this beehive. This was the item that I purchased. Had to have it from Hobby Lobby. It's in their spring shop. It's $19.99 regular price, but they have 50% off their spring shop right now. And I placed this candle that I already had in the middle. So if I want to burn this candle, I can. And that's the top layer. On the bottom here, on the bottom level, of course, I have my cream and sugar thrifted items. I thrifted a while ago. That Don't Worry, Be Happy, I had that already. That also came from Hobby Lobby this year. The honey pot there, the little small mini honey pot, was thrifted. I picked that up about a year ago. I only paid like $1 for it. It is super, super cute with that little bee. I have a votive there. I'm going to place a little candle in there also. You see that little bee on that votive. I actually have two that came from Hobby Lobby as well that I already had. I have the daisies on each side of my tiered tray. And I'm going to walk around here, walk around and walking. We're walking. And I have my relaxed mug, my Ray Dunn relaxed mug, and I have some yellow and white straws in that mug there. Guys, this is my tray, my two-tiered tray for the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge for 2019. I love participating in these challenges because it gives me the opportunity to put a little pretty in my kitchen. And we all love a little pretty, right? Thank you, Denise Jordan, for being such a gracious host, hosting this every season. Please go over to Denise's channel, show her some love. Denise will also have a playlist of talented creators participating in this challenge. I cannot wait to see what they come up with, because in the past I've seen some beautiful trays, and I cannot wait to kick back and watch the playlist. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.